Welcome to our comparison video between PayPal and Stripe, two leading payment processors. This video will guide you through different aspects of both platforms, providing a comprehensive comparison to help you decide which one suits your needs the best. Both PayPal and Stripe charge a standard fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for businesses in the United States. However, PayPal offers discounted rates for registered charities, while Stripe offers volume discounts for businesses with large sales. Stripe is available in 39 countries, while PayPal is available in over 200 countries. Thus, PayPal offers a wider reach for businesses seeking to tap into the international market. Stripe transfers money to your bank account on a 2-day rolling basis, while PayPal offers instant access to your funds. However, transferring money from PayPal to your bank account can take 1 to 2 business days. Stripe offers 24/7 support via email, chat, and phone, while PayPal also offers 24/7 support, but only via email and phone. Both companies have extensive online resources for self-help. Stripe provides developers with more flexibility and customization options, as it can be integrated into websites and apps using its robust API. PayPal, on the other hand, is easier to integrate for non-developers, as it offers pre-built solutions like Buy Now buttons. Both PayPal and Stripe are highly secure, using advanced encryption to protect sensitive data. Stripe is a certified PCI Service Provider Level 1, the highest security certification available, while PayPal is also PCI compliant. PayPal has a more established dispute resolution process, which can be more favorable for businesses. Stripe offers a similar process, but it's relatively newer and may not be as robust. Both PayPal and Stripe accept all major credit cards. However, PayPal also accepts PayPal payments, which Stripe does not. Stripe, on the other hand, accepts more digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. PayPal provides a mobile app that allows users to manage transactions, send invoices, and even make payments. Stripe doesn't have a mobile app, but its website is mobile-friendly. Thank you for watching our comparison of PayPal and Stripe. Both platforms offer unique features, and your choice depends on your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos.